Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a super useful video for anyone learning English. We're going to go through some of the most common daily conversations you'll encounter, from meeting new people to talking about your job and family. This video is packed with great phrases and simple responses that you can start using right away. So, let's jump in and get you speaking English with confidence. Greetings and introductions. Excuse me, are you American? No, I'm not. I'm Canadian. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. How do you do? How do you do? Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you too. What's up? Nothing much. How was your day? Really good. Are you happy today? Yes, I am. Personal information. What's your name? My name is Jacob. What is your surname? Brown. Where do you come from? I come from London. Where are you from? I'm from London. How old are you? I'm 38. When and where were you born? I was born in 1974 in Liverpool. Work and profession. What do you do? I'm an engineer. What's your profession? I'm an English teacher. What's your job? I'm an English teacher. Do you work from home? No, I work at an office. Contact information. Where do you live? I live in England. What's your address? 13 Oxford Street. What's your email address? You can email me at john@jamal.com. What's your telephone number? My number is 840-5377. How long have you been here? I have been here for 3 weeks. Relationships and family. Can I ask you a few personal questions? Certainly. Do you have a girlfriend? Yes, I do. Do you have a boyfriend? No, I don't. Are you single? No, I have a girlfriend. Are you married? Yes, I am married. What's your marital status? I'm married. Have you got any children? No, not yet. And that's our daily English conversation video. Remember, the key to becoming a confident speaker is practice. Try using these phrases with friends, family, or even by yourself in front of a mirror. If you found this video helpful,
be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning content. Let us know in the comments which phrases you'll be practicing first. See you next time.